HOMEY E400 is two-component epoxy adhesive, with strong adhesion and non-sag for anchor system. Anti-aging high shear rate strong adhesion. First cut the mouth of the tub. Next screw the nozzle on tightly to keep it secure, then load the adhesive in a caulking gun. Finally, excellent anti-aging, shock resistance properties, anchoring of rebar, threaded rods and special fastening systems, used for seismic reinforcement of many buildings. Suitable for substrates including concrete, solid masonry, steel, etc.